How to add social media buttons on GoDaddy website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to add a section for the social media buttons or links into your GoDaddy website. It is going to be very easy and very simple. We're going to head over godaddy.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to head over the products of yours. Once you have did that, what we're going to do basically is to select the website that we want. So maybe I'm going to choose one of the websites that I have here. So I'm going to select this one and we're going to wait for the dashboard of the website to load up. Now, what I am going to do is to wait for this specific case or section from the dashboard to load up so I can access the editor by clicking on edit website. Click on it. Now, what are we going to do is to wait for the website to show up, and then we're going basically to have the website ready. Now, how is the social media links will resemble? Basically, it is going to be resembling like that, but it is not going to be transparent like this. It is going to have some color or the let's say here original colors of the social media icons in here. I'm going to delete that section and let me show you how you can add it from scratch. So here we have the website. I'm going to click on add section. And from the section, we're going to see the categories that we can add or we can have. So we are going to head over the last one, which is going to be called social links. Here we have three choices. Either we have Instagram feed, reviews, and social links. The social links is going to be two models or two layouts. We have the one that I have reviewed before, which is going to contain only the links or the social icons. And we have the animated one, which is going to be as an announcement bar, which is going to be scrollable, not scrollable, but displaying like that. And you can go ahead and add it like this. I prefer adding this one because it is going to be the most convenient one for me. And from here, we can head over or click on the section, head over the right side of the screen. We can go ahead and set the section title, for example, and then we can go ahead and connect our pages, or just we're going to have the links. You cannot go ahead and have the connected business accounts because it is not going to be suitable. I see if you're going to connect your business page in here, but you're going to only put the links. I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to head over my page or Facebook page, copy it, copy the link of it, and then we're going to head over Facebook where is labeled here the link, paste it, boom. And as you can see, I'm going to see the label or the icon of Facebook. I can go ahead and go and put all of the same link into here so you are going to see the right there difference. But do not copy me in this place because it is going to be crucial to add the exact links of yours. So I am going to have this one. Normally it is going to read it. So, but as you can see here, it is not going to read it. It is because it is not going to be the same parameter. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.